On Pride Rock, all the animals gather to celebrate the birth of Simba, the lion cub who will one day be king. Rafiki, the wise baboon, lifts Simba high for all to see, while Mufasa and Sarabi, Simba's parents, watch proudly. Scar, Mufasa's brother, is jealous because Simba is next in line for the throne. Scar tricks Simba into visiting the elephant graveyard, where hyenas attack. Luckily, Mufasa arrives just in time to save Simba. Scar sets a trap by causing a wildebeest stampede in the gorge. Simba is caught in the chaos. Mufasa rescues Simba, but is thrown off a cliff by Scar. Simba, heartbroken, runs away, believing the tragedy was his fault. Simba meets Timon and Pumbaa, who teach him the carefree motto, Hakuna Matata, no worries. Simba grows up with them, leaving his past behind, but he still feels the call of his true home. Nala finds Simba and tells him that Scar has ruined the Pride Lands. With courage, Simba returns to challenge Scar. After a fierce battle, Simba defeats Scar and becomes the rightful king, bringing peace and life back to the kingdom.